Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. We are going to make a beads ribbon. This is the same beads ribbon that we have in the previous video on making a phone charm. So we will be making this very easy tutorial of beads ribbon. So we need a GI wire. I am using GI wire number 16. We need to cut 1 foot or 12 inches of this wire. Then we have pearl beads, and we have an acrylic bead. You only need one. You can also use any other beads, pearl beads. Just make sure that the two kinds of beads are of different sizes. One is bigger and the other one is smaller. Let's begin. So we need to find the middle part of the string. So you need to fold it. Okay, so here is the middle part. Next, we are going to string the big bead and 10 smaller beads. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. So next thing we do, we are going to insert this wire on the left into the middle part. Into the big string. And pull it. Okay, so here it is. Then the right side wire, you will know it is the right side wire because it is longer than the other one. So the right side wire, we are going to string another 10 pieces of pearl beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so after stringing 10 pieces of pearl beads on the right, insert it in the middle, insert it in the bigger bead, center bead. So here it is. Okay. Then we are going to string on this side. We are going to string 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we can turn this wire around so that the beads will not be deformed. It will just stay, it will not move. So having done that, take the end of the wire and insert it on the lower second bead, and pull it tightly, and you can use your long nose pliers to hold it. So there it is. Okay, then you can cut the extra wire with your pliers, and then fold neatly what is left of your string. You can fold it neatly. Okay, there it is. Now we go to the other side. Insert 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, the same thing that we did on the other side. We can turn the wire around the loop, and we are going to insert the end into the lower second bead, and pull it tightly, and use your long nose pliers to pull it tight. Then you cut the leftover string. Cut the leftover string and fold the leftover so that it would look neat. So here it is. Here is the project that we have made. It's very simple and easy. This is the beads ribbon. You can also attach a keychain here